Welcome back to Guarantee RV Super Center. You're here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to be showing you the Winnebago Intent 26M. Let's go inside and take a look at this budget-friendly Class A. The first thing I notice is the big window back here. It gives in some really good light. This unit has great storage back here in the bedroom. First of all, you've got above the bed. Then you've got this complete wardrobe with deep drawers to hold anything and everything you may need to store in here. You've got the end tables on both sides of your bed. Both of them have outlets and USB ports as well, so you can charge and plug in whatever you may need to. You've got your TV over here, and then again you've got more storage underneath. Now in between the bedroom and your kitchen is the two-piece bathroom. You've got your bathroom on the right, your toilet, your water closet as it is. And then your shower is over to the left with a great skylight above it. Next, you're going to start stepping into the kitchen. This has a really good kitchen layout. It gives great counter space. Over here you've got your refrigerator and freezer, top and bottom, as well as storage down here underneath your refrigerator. That's probably where I'd put my pots and pans. It's nice and deep. More storage over here underneath this little coffee table. You've got your microwave, 3-burner stove and an oven. And again, like I was saying, this really has some great prep space, some good counter space for anything that you may need to make. Double sink, and more storage top and bottom. This unit for sleeping, you can push this table down. This will turn into a bed for you in your little booth dinette here. This also has the drop-down bed. So you push one button, this slides down to give you that extra bunk space when you need it, and it neatly goes up when you don't. The captain's chairs, I love these because they turn around, they give you that extra conversation space when you've got somebody over and you just want to be able to hang out and talk, maybe have a couple glasses of wine. You've got your auto levelers, your backup camera. You've got your mirror controls over here on the left as well. It's on a Ford chassis, wonderfully built. And again, this is a great coach for young families who want to get into RVing, want to be in a Class A and have the space, have the storage. This is on a family-friendly budget. I think you'll like it. Let's go check out the outside. Now this baby, again, has a full awning going the full length of the coach. We've got great storage over here. One of my favorite parts of this coach is the outdoor kitchen. I don't know about you, but my husband does a lot of fishing and he's not allowed to clean that stuff inside. So he can use this table here, clean his fish, have his beer, whatever he needs. You've got a TV here that comes out. In case you want to watch that game or do some tailgating, you're all set here. Let's go around the other side. So our first stop towards the back of the coach here is going to be your own 4,000 watt generator there. Next you've got your hookups. So you've got your sewer, your water, all of that stuff is right in the same area. Here you've got more great storage on this coach. Now the next feature coming up, this is your propane tanks. Now it's not one large propane tank. So if you're running low, rather than having to unhook the coach, you can unhook one of those propane tanks, take it and get it filled and bring it back. So it's easy to change, easy to fill. Love it. That is our Winnebago Intent 26M. Hopefully you like this unit. If you have any questions on this one or any of the other magnificent units we have here on the lot, give me a call. My name is Brandy Morgan. I would love to talk to you. Our phone number here is 541-998-1148. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.